Maybe I should change the quick reply laughing emoji. We're not interested.
Okay. No worries. See you then. Wow. Thanks for that. Yeah, all right.
Can you please help me? Can you please help me?
No, you need to leave.
Look, man. Look, can you please help? Can you?
I just want to let you know that your car light is on.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
This is why you should always have a doorbell camera. This creepy video comes out of Phoenix, Arizona, and according to the family, this person came up to their door to warn them about their car light being left on while someone else was lurking in the background. But after they eventually left, she checked her car and there was no light on, so she posted it to warn others in our neighborhood.
I just want to let you know that your
Tampa, Florida. Multiple packages were stolen. Does anyone know this person? Like and subscribe to support the channel.
Nah, what would your parents do in this situation, bro? Just watch.
This is the new me.
Nah, what would you...
In July 2021, a couple's doorbell camera caught something that's right out of a nightmare. The woman, home alone at the time, saw a man peeping in through a kitchen window. Soon after, the man went around the house and rang her doorbell.
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
This tattooed man stood there ringing the doorbell, talking to himself for several minutes. He was repeatedly saying,
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you positive?
The woman says she never answered the man and had no idea who he is. She hid in her home and called 911. The man continued to eerily stand at the door. The woman's husband accessed the intercom to ask the man what he wants.
Hey, I just had a couple questions. What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in.
Police arrested him the following day, and he was identified as 40-year-old Christopher Sumps.
This was at around 3:30 in the morning. A few people have said they can see someone lurking in the dark behind her, but I don't see anything. Whatever it was, it felt ominous for some reason. The girl seemed afraid. I hope she is okay. This was at...
Creepy things caught on security cameras that I cannot explain. This guy goes down, and all of a sudden a third creature or something comes up from him and starts chasing him and then goes back in his body. Is this real? Creepy things caught on security...
What are you doing?
Hi.
What are you doing?
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm not allowed to be here.
This is not your house.
It is.
Hello? No, some woman's trying to get in my house.
It is my house.
Yeah. Yeah, she doesn't have pants on, and she's really inebriated.
This lives at my house.
This is...
Albuquerque, New Mexico. Attempted male thief. The stranger realized nothing good was in my mailbox. A funny clip, but always remember to get your mail.
This video was uploaded in TikTok on September 7th, 2022. This clip looks normal at first, but after they close the door, this happens.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Dad.
A man tries to open the door, but luckily the mom locked it behind her just in time.
Who is that? Get out of here. Get out of here.
After he cannot open the door, he stands and peers creepily at the house. The weirdest part is that the man does not blink a single time. They contacted the police. However, the man was never caught.
One quiet night, a Ring doorbell captured something very unsettling. A girl holding a flashlight approaches a house in Harry Creek Ranch, Texas. She doesn't realize the house is unoccupied.
Help, please.
The footage was captured in November of 2020, but didn't become public until after a few weeks later. The authorities have been notified about the footage and are currently trying to identify the girl in the video. We don't know who or what she was running from, but her fear is evident.
Help.
Brace yourself as you watch this chilling footage captured by a doorbell camera in the dead of night. An unexpected visitor appears, an old lady, brandishing a knife. What could have possibly driven her to such a terrifying act? One can only assume that again, just like in the previous clip, she was on some type of drugs.
Ooh, I got a creepy one today.
Hello? Hello?
After police officers showed up at this man's home, he was sure there had to be some sort of mistake.
Who am I speaking to? This is the owner of the house.
With his brother-in-law expected to drop by any moment, he wondered if his neighbors had spotted an unfamiliar individual and alerted the authorities. But something way more hilarious happened.
Is your brother-in-law supposed to be here? Yes, he is. No, there's some sort of mix-up. I'm sure he'll tell you the full story, but if no one's in any trouble, and we'll let him go come on in. Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Hey, Matt?
Yeah. What happened?
Hey. Sorry. I feel bad. I jumped your neighbor's fence thinking it was your house. Get the grunt. So, yeah, he called the cops on me. Understandably.
The most disturbing thing caught on doorbell camera.
Steven here.
You got the wrong house.
I knew this was a ripoff.
Okay, what are you looking for, Steven?
No, I am Steven. I'm looking for, Fifi.
Yeah, you got the wrong house.
So, you don't want to have sex tonight?
Sir, my husband's in the living room with the gun.
Huh. Okay.
Have a good
Understood.
Steven here.
night. You got the wrong house.
Video shows a woman showing up at a random home at 1:15 in the morning.
Hi, Dad.
She seems to believe her dad lives there.
Hello? It's 1:15 in the morning.
No one knows her name or why she showed up at this home. This video shows...
In a world where home security cameras are becoming more prevalent, what kind of frightening events will they capture? From brazen criminals to bizarre intruders, these are the frightening real-life terror videos caught on doorbell cameras. Get ready for scary videos caught on doorbell camera.
This person's brand new iPhone was just delivered 15 minutes ago. But they won't be able to use it because this crook walks up to the porch and takes it for himself.
Located at Dallas, Texas. Tried breaking into my apartment. While sitting in a different room, I heard someone at the door. This person apparently tried opening the door and covered the camera. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content.
This video is one reason why you need to make sure you are so hyper vigilant. This woman and her son were just trying to get inside the house, and look what her Ring camera caught.
Go shower really fast. I need to go shower. Please, Daniel. Dad. Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here!
When these little kids next door to her were playing outside, they watched her come out of the house with someone and said this.
Who you cheating on your cousin? This is my son! Oh.
She said the little neighbors never seen her son dressed up like that, so they got confused thinking it was an older guy. When these little kids next door to her...
Package theft ring person per second from yesterday. Stole packages at 2:50 p.m. delivered 2 hours earlier. My picture and video didn't upload this morning. Wow. Look at her go with my stolen package. Make sure to subscribe for...
Your immediate reaction might be to open up and help when a young woman comes crying to your door at 4:30 in the morning. This video was posted to Reddit by user Base Shadow, who did call the police but did not answer the door. And he might have done the right thing. She might be in desperate need of help, right? If she really is in danger, why is she hiding from the police? Also, when the neighbor's light comes on, why is she hiding from that as well? Why doesn't she run over there? Does she have a couple of armed friends hiding around the corner for when the door opens? It's happened before. She could have been completely innocent and really needing help too. Will likely never.
Watch this man try to enter a random house. That's why you should make sure your door is locked before you go to bed. Watch this man.
Hello? You order Chinese food? Oh, we got our food here. It's cold outside. Oh, you fat fuck. You got egg roll, you got dumplings, spare ribs, you got everything. Everything.